everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet, to those who are new, and to those who've been subscribed to this channel and those who watch my videos, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please go a step further. Do subscribe, do like, do comment, do share, so that we can grow this family together. So without wasting much of your time, let's move into the video. So today we're doing yet another unboxing, guys. It is a culture in this family to unbox together, but however, I haven't been doing much of my unboxings because I have to chase after deadlines, guys. I have deadlines. People want their things, and to keep things when I receive them, it's not actually business wise. So hence, that's why I haven't been doing much of unboxing with you. But well, if I get the chance to unbox with you guys, I will definitely be doing that. But so let's get into it. I did unbox some of the things which I got because I had clients from South Africa who needed their stuff ASAP, which the stuff is on its way to SA. So yeah, these are the things, guys. These are the summer outfits, the summer shorts, the summer outfits. So it looks like this. It's actually a two-piece. This is a 2XL. So these are the shorts, and then this is the top. I will plug a picture of me wearing this outfit, actually a different turquoise, but then it's the same design. So these are the tops. The tops are so amazing, guys. The material is just so nice. I just love. This is a large. So they just look amazing. This outfit is just amazing, as I have just plugged a picture of me wearing it. As you can see, it gives you classy, sexy, hot, and not giving too much. It's so nice, guys. And I had heads turning during my weekend getaway because the outfit was just amazing. So it's amazing, it's refreshing, it's nice on the skin. If you want one, please let me hook you up, let me plug you. You should get hold of me. So this is the outfit. I loved it. I love this turquoise as well. I love this top as well. I like this top more than the one which I was wearing, but I cannot buy the whole store, right? So yeah, that's what I have. I have these outfits in red, white, green, depending on the color which you want. So people had ordered them, they're still ordering them. So it won't be like you're wearing the same thing because they are in different colors and different designs, which is a good thing. The shorts are they get a bit tight, but the tops are loose, so it makes it classy, sexy. No, not sexy, raunchy, no. It makes it classy, sexy, if you know what I mean. So moving on to what I really wanted to show you guys, which I haven't yet unboxed, it's these boob tabs. So I did buy these boob tabs because I wanted to try them out myself, and also I wanted the clients who have been bothering me about these after they bought a dress. Let me just apply the dress for you to see. They bought this dress, and it's a sleeveless dress, so it needs something like strapless bra, or it needs those stick-on bras. So however, I was discouraging my clients. I've sold stick-on bras before, and I've been discouraging my clients of them. Let me just show you. All the things which I sell, I do wear them. Most of the things I sell, I do wear them in order for me to feel what the client really feels. So these are some of them. Don't mind my bra. I wear it at church, so it's not so clean. But as you can see, these are stick-on bras. So these bras, I no longer recommend them. I used to sell them. Actually, it's one of the, well, it's exactly the one which I used to sell. They were in black, they were in different colors, but I don't recommend them anymore because every time when I go out and I'm wearing them and I tend to sweat, they tend to, like, the sticking part tends to like go loose, and then it will be so uncomfortable, especially when you're wearing something loose. The bra tends to fall off. So I didn't like that about these stick-on bras. They don't stick that much, and again, as you continue washing them, they become less sticky. Though this one is still sticky, but they just start to become less sticky. I just want to show you the one which I bought at was it Clicks or Discam in South Africa. I bought these for my wedding. I think as you can see, I wore this maybe 5 times because I washed them. They tend to, I don't know, comment down below, are you supposed to wash these things? Are you supposed to wash this, especially this this stick on, what are they called? Are you supposed to wash this stick on invisible bras? Because for me, as you can see what happened, the situation which happened here, I wore this 5 times. The reason why I didn't like throw them away after my wedding is because they were quite pricey. They were about 200 to 250 rands. So I was like, in order for me to get the value of my money, I'm obviously gonna use these. I don't know if they are reusables or you're meant to wear them once. I don't know, but this whole situation, I didn't like it. Hence, I then decided that I'm gonna buy this and try them. Obviously, I did have to look for a good vendor, of which I did find a good vendor who had good reviews, and I'm hoping to find a good stuff in here. So let's go and open the box. So they did say that they come in different sizes. There's D, there's cup C, and there's cup. I also got cup A and cup B. So depending on the size of your boobs. I haven't tried these on, but I feel like I've seen a lot of women using them. I'll plug also a video for you to see. I haven't tried them on, but then I feel these will be better than the stick-on strapless bras, because I think you just use this once and it quite looks like there's more you can use, because as you can see in the picture, the way you can use them, you can use them for different occasions. For this bunch can be used in different occasions. So I'm thinking this can last a person, and I mean, I will get back to you for the proper review of how these go when I try them on. I also want to try them on someone else. My niece, she did want to like be used as a guinea pig, so that we can have like proper results of how they feel like. But obviously I'm gonna also try them on. She's a cup D, so I wanted to try them on a person who has bigger boobs and who has boobs which can be more heavy, so that I can see how it holds. So yeah, I'm gonna try these on her, and then she's gonna give me feedback, and then I'll get back to you guys. So yeah, these are different. I bought different sizes, different cups, I did say. I think this is the D, this is the C, And then I did buy the smaller boobs, which I think that's where I am. The cup B or cup A, I think this is the cup A or cup B. So yeah, basically that is what I have for you today. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on my next one. Bye.